Are you looking for elegant na house and lot na pang dream home ang datingan? Dito lang yan sa Amaresa, Marilao. Amaresa, Marilao is located along M. Villarica Road dito sa Barangay Lombadigato, Marilao, Bulacan. This is the main gate and welcome to Amaresa, Marilao. Amaresa, Marilao is almost a 10 hectares first-class residential community which is a development project of Red Oak Properties Incorporated. It has complete amenities, including a swimming pool. Welcome to Alexandria. Alexandria is the biggest single attached unit dito sa Amaresa, Marilao. It has a usable floor area of 174 square meter and a minimum lot area of 130 square meter. So we have an extra space dito sa harap para sa ating pocket garden, pwede ring maging lanay. And we have of course our parking space, no? Ayan, of course, meron tayong carport ito, no? Para safe na safe yung ating masasakyan. And usually, nasa corner unit ang ating mga Alexandria, kaya we have another space dito sa paligid. Again, pwedeng maging garden, no? Or other area. Sa bahaging ito, meron tayong extra space, no? Para makaikot yung ating buyer, no? Yung may-ari. Kasi meron tayong access doon sa ating service door. Dito naman, of course, no, ito ang ating main entrance. This is our main door. And pagpasok natin, no, yan. This is our living area. Of course, since this is the biggest unit, talagang mas maluwag at mas maaliwalas ang ating unit. Dito sa ating area na ito, this is our dining area, no? Of course, we have our kitchen. Ayan, nandito sa likod, no? Meron tayong lavatory faucet, syempre, no? Space for our ref. No? We have overhead counter cabinets. And, no, dito sa ating baba, meron din. This is our sliding door, no? Connecting to our, pwedeng maging lanay ito, no? Another coffee table or, yun, no, me time doon sa labas. Since meron nga tayong extra space doon sa gilid. Okay? So this portion, no, meron tayong space dito, no? Nilagyan ng gym equipments. Pero kung meron tayong kasambahay, no, pwedeng dito siya ito yung magiging kwarto niya. Okay? We also have space here, no? Pwedeng pwedeng stock room din, study area or kung ano man ang gusto nating ilagay. We have a room dito sa baba. Of course, no, kung may mga kasama din tayong elderly, pwede itong maging room nila. Or if not, yeah, pwedeng gawing office, no, or any other purpose. Right? And of course, meron tayong toilet and bath dito sa baba, no? Syempre, kompleto rin yan ng fixtures, no? Meron tayong lavatory with faucet, ang ating water closet. We have the tissue holder. Meron tayo dyang complete shower fixtures. And syempre, meron tayo ditong no, sa ating soap holder or mga shampoo. And of course, we have the ating bintana as a ventilation. Okay, this is now our access to our second floor, no? Same with other units. So, meron tayong steel na mga tubulars dito sa ating handrails. And we have wood planks dito sa ating steps, no? Yan. Let's check our second floor. This is our hallway connecting to our 3 bedrooms dito sa taas. This is our first bedroom. Ayan, no? Kulay blue. Kung meron tayong anak na for the sun, no? Pwede dito. So, this is our first bedroom. Again, this is a dress-up unit. Kaya may mga gamit at mga appliances. But for the third over, of course, no, wala yung mga yan. Okay? This is our second bedroom. Ayan. So, kung meron naman tayong for daughter or naka-sofa bed, tapos merong pull-out para kung may mga visitors or kaibigan siya, pwede. Okay? This is now our common toilet and bath. And of course, kompleto rin ito ng shower fixtures. Andyan. Meron din tayong sink with faucet, water closet. Ayan, meron tayong lagayan for the soap and shampoo. And we also have our tissue holder. Okay? So, let's check. Of course, no? Again, this is our hallway connecting to the bedrooms. And this is our master bedroom. Nako, napakalaki, no? Tingnan natin, no? Ayan. So, we have the master bed. Siyempre, meron tayong mga curtains, may mga mirrors. We have the television, no? So, this is the biggest room, of course, para sa may-ari, no? Okay? And ang master bedroom, no, ay merong sariling master bath and toilet. Yan. So, meron tayong toilet and bath. Of course, kompleto yan, no? Talagang we have the complete shower fixtures. Meron tayong water closet. We have the sink, no, lavatory with faucet. And of course, may mga ventilation para sa lighting at saka, yun nga, makapasok yung hangin. Okay? This is now our access to our balcony. Ayan. So, meron din tayo ditong space, no, para sa family activities. Pwede natin lagyan ng roofing para mas safe para sa ating family. So, we also have the steel handrails para sa security. Alexandra Units has a attic, no? Tignan natin. So, this is our access to the attic. Again, we have the same handrails. We have the wood planks para sa ating steps. Okay? So, this is our attic, no? We have an ample space. Now, we have here ang table, no? Para sa in case, no? Kasi medyo nasa baba pa yung ating kitchen, no? Kung gusto nyo may kakain, magme-merienda. And we have here, ayan, talaga namang pangmalakasang living area, no? Family activities, so pwedeng lagyan dito ng anything, no? Billiards or music room, entertainment room. Ayan, nakita nyo naman, no? Napakaaliwalas pa rin po ng ating attic. Once again, this is our ground floor dito sa ating Alexandria unit. Ikaw, are you looking for your dream home? Tara, we will bring you home. Thank you.